Hey guys, it's Koogly again with another video, and this time, well, you know what this is. It's gonna be an unboxing. It is for the OnePlus 7 Pro, so if you're interested, stay tuned for that. So guys, well, if you don't know yet, I have a OnePlus 7 Pro which I use as my daily driver, and I very much like the phone and I like to protect it. All my phones were protected by one or the other covers. I have used mostly cheaper versions of more expensive stuff. You know how it is. You can find those on Amazon. The Mozo cases, which I made a video for previously for the OnePlus 6T, which is this one, which is actually pretty good case. Now I have a cheap extension for this one, which I used to have a kickstand of some sort, so it works really well for me. But the OnePlus 7 Pro is different because it has a curved screen. I wanted something which also has the protection for the curved screen. Don't know how it's going to work. I got the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the OnePlus 7 Pro. This is not the only thing which this package has. This has a few other stuff which I need also, which is interesting. Let's just open it up and see what all items you get. Now, Unicorn Beetle Pro case is probably one of the toughest Milspec cases you can get. Not a cheap case though, it is pretty expensive. If you don't know what this is, well, that's not the important thing. What is important is this one, which is interesting. It is called the Ringke Dual Easy Film Screen Protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. This claims to work very well. That's another thing which I got for my case. And here is the Unicorn Beetle case for the OnePlus 7 Pro. We'll dive more into that now. As I've already said, right now personally I am actually using a case which is called, I'm not really sure what this is called. It's a generic case. You can find that out anywhere. I like the ring design because it helps me hold the phone in any orientation. It works really well, but the problem is, as you can see, it is not very flush. It is pretty thick. It's not uniform thickness. I liked this case because of its unicorn thickness, but it didn't have a kickstand, so I added this one, which I thought it was going to be a little bit more concealed, but no, it also adds a lot of thickness in the center direct. This one I didn't have much of an issue, but this one is really not good for just typing when it's on the table because it wiggles around a lot. Then I got my hands on the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the OnePlus 7 Pro. This is the V2 with the kickstand and all that. Let's open it up and see what we have here. First things first, it's a bulky case, but honestly I understand that and I have gotten my hopes about it really well. No, so we have the attention stuff before you open the package. Here you have it. That is the Supcase. This is the front area because it is a 360-degree protection. Pretty flimsy, but there are methods to just remove this one from the case and replace it with a good screen protector, which I do intend to do in the later stages. Here is the case itself. It comes with a holster assembly kind of a thing, which is interesting in my opinion. I like it. Will I be using it? I don't know. I probably may not, but it's interesting nonetheless. And here is the case itself. It is pretty thick, almost, I mean, it is kind of thick as this one. It's flat. That is the main reason I like it. It is a flat case. It doesn't wiggle around whenever you are trying to access it. It has flaps wherever you want it, and it has good cutout for it. As you can see, it is Milspec standard 810G. It is available for those who really care about it. Here's the installation guide. Pretty simple. Just for the sake of it, let's install it right now. Okay, it does have a better reinforcing mechanism for the pop-up camera because the case I was using, this one is pretty weak and it wiggles around and there's a lot of light bleed through the grill speaker, which I didn't really expect or didn't really appreciate. Already better in my opinion. So you install the case by adding the screen protector first and then doing the other stuff. Okay, it will require me to add the my stuff before this, and then I have to install it to the back area case stuff. So let's try doing that on camera. Okay, not as easy as I thought, but still works decently well. Touchscreen seems to be responsive enough, so I don't really need to get too much into it. Yes, I know there is protective film there. I want to clean everything first before I permanently install it. I'll look into how it feels and how it works, if it has the rainbow effect and all that. Not entirely sure of it. One of my favorite feature about the this case, which is the Unicorn Beetle Pro case, is this thing. This is just amazing. The first time I saw this in action, I was bloody amazed at why other cases don't have this one. It's just so much better and it just looks pretty awesome. I like this one. It's a concealed sort of a kickstand, which is really good, and I just like it so much. We'll be looking into it and I'll be seeing how this works for this. If you have any doubts about it, do let me know. That would be something which I would like to address. So this is the entire thing with the holster and all that. Is it worth using the holster? I don't know. I don't use holsters all that much. It's kind of old for me, but it is available if you are interested in it. It makes the phone really heavy. Like the OnePlus 7 Pro is already a heavy phone. This just, I don't know, times 50, whatever it is. So it is a heavy case now. I'm happy about it, but you can pretty much bang it around without a worry. So that is the case. Now, another thing which I do want to mention is the screen protector, because I will be applying the case for it. I figured I want at least scratch guard on the screen, because I don't want dust getting in between these layers and causing permanent marks on the screen. So I wanted to get glass screen protector. I did try the UV screen guard. Didn't work for me. I tried installing it. I still have the glass for it. I don't know if it'll work. As you can see, the glass is here without the protection because I tried installing it. Didn't work. The UV glue was not hardening. Tried the UV light for a good 10 minutes and it was not hardening. There was some sort of problem with it. I lost faith in it and I didn't look back. But I did buy the Ringke Dual EC film protector, and I'm trying to get this. I will try to get this thing for the OnePlus 7 and I'll try to just see how to use this one. I'm excited. I will be trying that out. Yeah, that is pretty much it about the video. If you have any doubts about it or if you have any questions about it, do let me know. I will try and answer them. By the way, this is an expensive case. It's about 1,600 rupees for the case itself. So yeah, opposed to 399 for this case, which, I mean, this also was like 299 or 399, which I got really good, and this accessory was 99 rupees. Total is always less than 500. This is 3 times the price of that cases. So I don't know, is it 3 times the protection? I seriously do not know. I will look into it though. So yeah, that is it about the video then. Hope you guys liked the video. Please share, subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.